Vacuuming is a waste of your time. Seriously, a robot vacuum does the job while you do literally anything else. I've tested 5 for 2026, from budget basics to self-washing mopping machines. Here's which one lets you set it and forget it. The eufy X10 Pro Omni is the most hands-off robot vacuum I've ever used. It's an all-in-one station that self-empties, self-washes, and self-dries its mop pads. The robot returns to the base, the mop pads get scrubbed with fresh water, then dried with 45 degrees Celsius heated air. No mildew smell. The dust bag lasts 2 months, and the 3-liter water tank mops up to 2,000 square feet before needing a refill. The 8,000 pascals of suction is insane for a robot. Deep cleaning carpets easily. The AI obstacle avoidance detects over 100 objects, including wires, shoes, and pet toys. The self-cleaning roller brush prevents hair tangles. The iPath laser navigation maps your home and cleans in efficient rows. One honest piece of feedback: it's expensive. Also, the base station is large. You need floor space. For busy homeowners who want the absolute least amount of maintenance, the X10 Pro Omni is the best robot vacuum you can buy in 2026. Full specs and the best deal are linked in the description below. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is the smartest obstacle-avoiding robot on the market. The Precision Vision navigation uses a front-facing camera to recognize and avoid objects like pet waste, charging cords, and socks. iRobot even offers the POOP promise. If the robot runs over pet waste, they'll replace it for free. That's confidence. The self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt. The 10 times power-lifting suction is strong for carpets, and the dual rubber brushes don't tangle with pet hair. The smart mapping learns your home and suggests personalized cleaning schedules. You can say Roomba, clean under the kitchen table, to your Alexa or Google device for spot cleaning. One honest piece of feedback: the J7 Plus does not mop, vacuum only. Also, the camera-based navigation needs decent lighting to work well. For pet owners who worry about poop disasters, the Roomba J7 Plus is the safest choice. It's not the most powerful, but it's the smartest. Link is waiting for you in the description below. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 is the best value robot vacuum and mop combo. It's often half the price of the eufy X10 Pro. The Matrix Clean mode takes multiple passes in a grid pattern, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning. The sonic mopping scrubs hard floors at 100 strokes per minute. The self-emptying base is bagless and holds up to 60 days of debris. No expensive replacement bags. The HEPA filtration traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. The Clean Edge Detect uses blasts of air to push debris out of corners and edges. The self-cleaning brush roll resists hair wrap. The app is simple and lets you set no-go zones. One honest piece of feedback: the obstacle avoidance is not as good as iRobot or eufy. It will eat phone cords if you leave them on the floor. Also, the mopping is more of a damp wipe than a deep scrub. For families on a budget who want vacuuming plus light mopping, the Shark Matrix Plus is an incredible value at under $350. Check the description for the link and current pricing. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is for people who want a dirt-simple robot vacuum. No Wi-Fi, no app, no mapping. You use the remote control or the buttons on the robot. You press clean, and it goes. It's only 2.85 inches tall, so it fits under most furniture. The 100-minute battery life cleans a large apartment on a single charge. The Boost IQ technology automatically increases suction when transitioning from hard floors to carpet. The noise level is low, about as loud as a microwave. It self-charges when the battery gets low. One honest piece of feedback: it navigates randomly, not in neat rows. It covers the floor using a bounce algorithm, so it may miss spots or clean some areas twice. Also, no mopping function. For small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone who doesn't want yet another app on their phone, the RoboVac 11S Max is perfect. It's cheap, it's thin, and it just works. You don't need smart features to clean your floor. Full details and the link are in the description below. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus is the best self-emptying robot for pet hair. The 5,500 pascals of suction is powerful, and the dual rubber brushes grab hair from carpets without tangling. The self-emptying base holds a 2.5-liter dust bag that lasts up to 7 weeks. The LiDAR navigation maps your home quickly and accurately, supporting up to 4 floor levels. The 770-milliliter dustbin is huge for a robot, and the 180-milliliter water tank lets it mop as it vacuums. You can set different suction levels and water flow for each room in the app. The robot supports Alexa and Google Voice control. One honest piece of feedback: the mopping is passive. It drags a wet cloth behind it, not scrubbing like the Eufy or Shark. Also, the renewed model is often the only one in stock. For multi-pet households with lots of hair, the Q5 Pro Plus is a powerful, reliable, and well-priced option. Roborock's app is one of the best in the business. Link is waiting for you in the description below. That's 5 robot vacuums for 2026. From self-washing flagships to dumb but cheap basics. Set it and forget it. Which one is cleaning your floors? Comment below. And don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go do something better with your time.